So good evening to everyone. Namaste.
Good evening, sir. Good
Yeah.
evening.
Yeah. So just I wanted to know about how these tutorials have been going. कैसा चल रहा है? And 19th of July. So we are on 25th today. So we have almost 20 days ahead. So how is the preparation going on? कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Huh? How's the overall interactive session been going on? Okay. So you can just take your own views and you can explain so that do you need any additional corrections or anything additional inputs we can take it in for the improvement. Okay. So yeah, anyone randomly can start. Okay. Anybody can randomly can start. Yeah. How's the tutorials? How's the preparations? How is the knowledge transformations been taking place? कैसा चल रहा है?
Sir, I would like to start. Maybe our
Firoz.
yeah. So
Yeah.
formally, good evening to all.
Yeah. Good
And
evening.
so just in a few words of this sentence, I would like to review our discussions about this particular program. Though I'm having this last 18 years in the research field, having the good technical background, everything, but now whatever just I'm going through the details because I never gone through the previously for this kind of program. So this is really very interesting, very knowledgeable things. So apart from the we did some kind of PG diploma in research etc. from NICMAR. So that is a quite different one. And this is really very depth, understanding on that. And it is what explanation and time given by our mentor or coach or tutor Rahul sir. That is really amazing. I after the other classes like a PhD programs also have done. So I could not find such kind of giving the such much of time and their expressions they are asking multiple times today. Even
Hmm.
just by end of the sessions also they would like to ask multiple times to each and everyone by taking their names. So this is not happening. In fact, nowhere it is.
Hmm.
In my whole career, I never found in our professional as well as academic, areas. So this is really interesting, and we are very really expressing whatever We are many times we are at the at the wrong information. Just we are saying means we are not at the correct answer we are giving, but definitely it is going to explain very, and we are lighting the things or the topic, and we are increasing our information and knowledge in that. And really, it is a very depth understanding we are taking there. Even that another specific, I would like to give the example of the whenever the topics is going through, so there, he is just connecting with the Google, and then definitely he is trying to show this particularly machine. That is
Hmm.
also another one kind of unique way of teaching or of pricing the system. So that is never I found because whenever we are stuck with the terminology, they would like to go to with that kind of videos or any kind of GIF format. So that is showing something else.
Really, very happy, Mr. Firoz, and so kind of you and your goodness. Okay, you have praised about the whole process and praised about the tutors. Okay, really
Very,
amazing.
very impressive, sir. Very impressive it is.
Yeah,
And
and
very,
I'm really happy, very glad with your words. Okay, and like Rahul is ultimate. There's no matching with the Rahul because many of you may have been doing this course since other unit also. So some of you may be joined for this DI3. Okay, but Rahul as a very well-known personality in HSC field and he is one of the asset for the 3 years Lights of Academy. And I'll tell you, Rahul is I have told multiple times, and I tell every batch is every I inform this particular message to everyone that Rahul is an encyclopedia. You maybe agree with me. Yeah. So good. Yeah, and I'm happy. See, ultimately, what you said about your experience. You have not been in the past of your learnings and giving such a in-depth and knowledge and everyday taking the classes. Okay, really, this is a professional certification course, a diploma course of Nebosh, which really required the good mentoring and like something good coaching actually It is not like all of you are a professionally you're working in the good position, good organization across the world. You can read the book, but somebody is giving you with the lots many interactive and lots many with the example connect. Your learning transformation will increase in a very better way. And especially like when we as a 3 years life safe academy started this id program, and many of the learners with the previous other institution, when they have been experienced with our institution, they said the other institution does not conduct the class for idip. There is no tutors actually. And this is the big remarks and positive remarks by given by many of the people for the IDIP. Okay, it is not a standard of IGC. It is a level 6 program. Okay, you require a real coaching, real mentoring. Otherwise, it's a very difficult to crack this IDIP as a level 6 program unless you have been putting on the track. Okay, and Rahul is like such a good coach actually. He will put you always on the track. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Firoz. Yeah.
मिलती है सफलता 3S में, होती है उन्नति 3S में।
मिलती है सफलता 3S में, होती है